Hello everybody, Matt from Just Stack It, and I have on the table for us today some odd coins. This is a lot of my foreign stuff, and I don't know a lot about what's sitting in front of us. I know enough that I probably got good to okay deals. I got a really great deal on these, what are they, francs? Something like that. From Big Flip. Yeah, 20 francs. I know I got a really good deal on those. Pretty decent deals on some of the rest of this. I really like that Balboa, but that's not why we're talking today. The important part about why we're talking today is tokens of a different nature. And this is not what you want to hear. Trust me, I understand we love our precious metals, but for those of you who may have extra funds and who are willing to take some risk, again, not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just telling you what I see. With the implosion of FTX and the other information that's coming out now about these crypto projects and how they're managed, not all of them are good. Some of them have inherent problems like this, but if you're willing to take a small gamble, we are about to see some of the lowest prices in cryptocurrency that we may see for a very long time. I feel that regulation is going to step in from the US and other governments across the globe, and they are going to monitor and check in on and make sure these companies are solvent and doing what they're supposed to do with the money that people give them. So I feel that regulation's coming, and that's another good thing for investors to a degree. Everybody's fought regulation pretty hard in the crypto scheme, and we know why, because of reasons like this. So I feel that we'll finally get there, but you're about to see, I think I just checked before the video, Bitcoin's down in like the $16,000 range, which I haven't been tracking it, don't quote me, but that's the lowest I think it's been in years. I may be wrong. At least I think a year and a half, 2 years, that's probably the lowest price. And it's going to go lower. They're all going to go lower. So if you're willing to take a risk on a different kind of coin, I won't advise you. You'll have to do your due diligence. But just in case you're curious or you want to know, there's a few of the bigger projects, Bitcoin, Ethereum, seem pretty on the level. There's always some smaller ones and different things. You'll have to check into those and do your own research. But that stuff is about to rock bottom for probably about the next 5 to 10 years, hopefully, after regulation comes in and everything starts to level out, the economy starts picking back up whenever that decides to happen. But these are going to be the lowest prices you see on crypto. And I still have some. Not a whole lot, and it's not worth a whole lot. It used to be, but I still have it. I'm holding on to it. It's a long-term hold for me. I've made a lot of money in crypto, enough to do some things with it. I was smart and pulled most of my money out, lost some, lost a bunch actually, but made more than I lost. And that's my experience. That may not be yours, but if you've ever thought about looking into it, or if you're curious about some of the bigger projects, the more stable ones, the ones that, obviously are going to be schemes such as what these people were running, you want to look into them because they're going to be on sale here now and in the near future. I think we're just going to see that market go down and down and down until we may even see a $10,000 Bitcoin again, which I can't even tell you when that was, but it's been a while since it was down that low. And a lot of people sold in that range when it first reached there and then kicked themselves in the pants when it went up to 60K. So again, not financial advice, just food for thought. I know we like investments. Sorry about the phone notification. I know we like investments. and we do odd things. Like I said, I don't know much about what's going on here on the table, but I know people value it. The same thing can be said for cryptocurrency. There is a value there. It's arguable and people can discuss it and debate it, but it is there. I feel like it's not going anywhere, especially once regulation comes in. It will get more stable and it's going to be on sale for the near future. So, just food for thought. I wanted to get that out there. Tell me, people out there that stack silver and precious metals, do you have any crypto? I'm curious because I do, and I know I've seen it around in the comments and people talking about it. Some people seem to indicate that they do, some people indicate that they don't trust it, which is fine. But I just wanted to do this nice little PSA to let people know, just in case they didn't, that there's pretty much a fire sale going to happen on crypto here 6 months to about the next year, wherever we find the bottom on most of these markets. So that's it for me today, guys. I just wanted to share that with you so you could, do with that information what you will. Maybe research, maybe even go out there and purchase some and hope for a better return in the future. But that's just my 2 cents and what I think, and we'll see what time does for us. But I thank you all for your time and attention. I appreciate all of you, and have a wonderful day.